Krikor. Krikor is queen d1. I think this endgame is supposed to be winning, but I'm not certain. I know with 2 pawns on the board, this is a win. With 1 pawn, I'm not 100% sure. King h3? No, now Krikor's opponent gets his king in and he's gonna win. Just takes, and yeah, now the horse is no match for the queen. Takes, another pawn falls, and king f3 wins. Pretty much everything's winning here. Queen f2. Poor Krikor, he's gonna lose this game, unfortunately. Maybe, although his opponent's very slow. Queen a3. Queen a5, move. 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 Queen b8, just move. Queen f6, move. King e3, probably. Move. King e4. Okay, now Krikor's gonna lose, yeah. Now king g4, and... yeah, this has been a very, very long game, but black should win now. Queen c2. Queen g5, queen e4. Come on, move. Oh my god. Oh my god. What an insane game. Okay, that's